Kenny, how are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
Nairobi, Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you, where are
nice.
you from?
I am from India.
Oh, okay. Welcome.
Yeah. So you are doing dance. Why you like dance?
I'm just trying.
You're just
I don't know
trying.
how to dance.
Okay.
Voila.
I think you like too much dance.
What are you up to? What are you up
Okay.
to, dear?
I'm a student. Right now
Oh,
I'm
you're a student. Okay.
yeah. Right now I'm
What
doing
are you
engineering.
studying?
Engineering.
Hmm?
Engineering. Right now I'm doing engineering. What about you? You are doing job? Yeah.
I'm a mom. I'm a mom. I'm a mom.
You are a
I'm not a
housewife.
student. I finished school like 12 years ago.
So you are right now housewife.
And I'm a businesswoman. Yeah, I can hear you. Talk to me.
Okay. So
Yeah,
right.
I'm a mom. I finished
Okay.
school like 5 years ago, and
Okay.
right now I
Nice.
do business. Yeah,
So
I have my own business, but it's not what I studied in uni.
So, how do you know this language, English? What is
Yeah.
your mother tongue language?
What?
What is your mother tongue language? How do you know English?
Um, we speak Swahili in Kenya. We learn English in school. Yeah, my mother tongue is Luo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So,
my
you
mother
learned
tongue. It's Luo.
Luo.
But English we learn in school, but in Kenya we speak both English and Swahili. That's
Yeah,
our
you are.
national language.
So, you are speaking English also very well.
Swahili.
Very well.
Yeah, I try. I try.
Me too, also. I'm also learning in this language. This language. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
its mother tongue language is my Hindi. So, it's common language in English. So, I'm also learning this language because I also want to go some country and visit some country and explore there what are the environment are there, what are
Mm-hmm.
the facility are there. That's why I'm learning this language.
Mm-hmm.
So do you like to
Oh,
do
you're also
business?
learning English. Do you guys learn
Yeah.
English in school?
No,
Okay.
actually in this India side they are not teach you as a language
Okay.
English. They teach you as a subject.
Okay.
So right now
Oh,
I'm
the
doing.
teacher. So you learn English for something. Like you go to school to learn English.
Yeah, so as a not language they teach you.
Okay.
So you should just pass the
Okay.
exam. Here English subject it's
Mm.
enough for you. No need to learn since childhood English. But now I feel that after my completing 12th class, I feel that without English language I cannot do anything. I cannot go any outside. So that's why I'm learning in this age. You can see that.
Okay, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
So do you like to
Yeah.
do business in India?
Business, I don't know. Because the kind of business I do, I'm a nail tech.
Okay. This is your business.
Yeah.
So you should do
Yeah,
India.
that's my business. That's what I do.
You should do India also business, na? I'm also your business partner. If you want to do, I will be help you.
Which kind of business do you want us to do?
Anything, whatever you want.
Oh, tomato.
Yeah, anything,
Okay.
whatever you want. After
Like
1 years,
clothes or
because
something.
right now,
Clothes and shoes, maybe.
yeah, as you right now not. After my completing graduation, after 1 years, I will be think that about the
Oh,
business. So be a friend. After that,
okay,
we
that's
can talk.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow me up. We do business. Yeah, you can follow me. You
we
can
have
follow me. So
You have
that, let
set
me
up.
give you a follow. Okay, follow me back and then we'll chat more.
You follow me. You follow me.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
yes, I've already followed you. So you follow me back so that I can text you direct.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I will talk to you and some chat to you.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, dear.
Okay. So tell me about your son.
Oh, I have two. I have a son and a daughter. My son is 11. My daughter is 5.
5. 5 years old and 11 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. What does he do?
Yeah. They're still in school.
He is right now in school and she is right now in school also.
Oh, okay, right now we are for long holidays. You know, it's
Yeah.
December, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, all the school like they break off. Yeah, so like now everybody's in holiday mood. So they'll
Oh,
return back in January.
okay. So in your side
Yeah.
also, in my side also given holiday. That's why I'm also right now I'm in a
Mm-hmm.
staying home. After 1 month, I will be
Okay.
going my college again.
Or you'll go back to college. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I will
like
go back.
now you're taking a break. Like are you on a long holiday or what?
Yeah, right now right now I'm with my family. So for long
Or
time
you're
I
with your
came.
family.
Yeah,
Okay.
I came here for long time. For after 1 years in my family.
So when will you be back? When will you be back? Are you like schooling in India or you're outside India?
I'm living in right now. Living in North Indian side, North India side. But I'm study my study are going on South India, Chennai side.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, it's okay. That's good.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, you're too young.
Yeah, I'm 20 years old.
I'm older than you.
Yeah. So what's time right now
I'm
there?
28.
28,
Okay, right now it's 3. 3.
3 p.m.
It's 3 p.m. Yeah,
Uh,
p.m.
here but dark
Yeah.
night here. Here is 5:42 p.m.
Oh,
Yeah,
p.m.
p.m. is 3 hours,
Okay.
4 hours advance here time,
Yeah.
fast time here.
Okay.
So how
Yeah.
is weather right now there?
That's good.
How is weather right now there?
The weather today is a bit gloomy, like it's like about to rain.
Okay, but
Yeah.
here is
It
very
rained
cold.
last night. Oh, it's very cold, okay?
Yeah, it's very cold. I wear so many jacket and so many things.
Yeah, that's why I can see you wearing jackets like a
Yeah,
hoodie.
yeah, hoodie. How do you know it's hoodie?
Uh, it's a hoodie because like I
Yeah,
can see like the
yeah, it's
what
a
do you call
hoodie.
it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
So like, do you live with the family or do you live alone?
I live with my family. Right now I'm live with my
Okay.
family. Yeah, my mother there
So you're
something
still at
say.
your family's care.
Yeah, right now I'm
Yeah.
still with them. Tell
Okay.
me
That's
something
good.
about you. How is your uh,
Mm, ask me anything.
tell me some story since your childhood. Do you have any story? That
I
story
do have stories.
that story make you
What
happy and
stories?
that story make you sad that day, I think. So many story
Oh,
have in
like
our
right
life.
now, the only thing that is making me happy right now is my sister got married yesterday. She did a big wedding. I'm happy for her. Yeah.